Okay, so,
Yes.
so this morning you came in with Olivia, and then you said your right knee is hurt, isn't it?
Yes.
It's pain down on the side, isn't it?
Yes.
And even when you have a knee replacement,
Yes.
you had this knee replacement last year,
18 months ago.
18 months or 1.5 year. Okay, so move your knee now. You feel better,
A lot better.
lot better,
The
right?
pain isn't there.
No, right, okay. What happened? So I only put 4 needles, isn't it? The needles in your middle of your stomach. So what's that? This is your spine, alright?
Right.
So this have stimulated the energy to your spine, and in fact your knee pain is not in the knee because you have a knee replacement. It's on the sciatic nerves. Sciatic nerves,
Yes.
alright?
Yes.
Sciatic nerves on your side, okay?
Yes.
So make you painful. Now I put a little bit more needles, alright? And
That's brilliant.
alright, okay.
I can't normally do that with
Yeah,
my
you can you see your knee. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. That was my left. Wow, honestly.
Okay, right. Kick home 2 more. Yeah, okay. So you see your sciatic nerve pain is better, alright? So
Wow.
because it's okay, another knee. Move another knee. I mean the left one.
The left one.
Left one. Okay. Go high. Even not as high as this one.
No, this is my good knee.
Good knee, not as high as this one.
No.
Okay, move the right one. You see. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
ridiculous.
Feel better, isn't it?
Yes.
Amazing.
Honestly, Olivia, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Richard, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay, right. Okay, so yeah, you rest and breathing.
I
So
want to change.
so move your leg now. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Much better.
Much lighter, isn't it?
Yes.
Beginning. Oh, I saw you. Oh,
I know,
walking so
I know.
difficult. Okay, move your both knee. Yeah, let's stay. Yeah.
You were jumping.
Wow.
I told you now, yeah.
You were jumping for my hand now.
Okay, right. Good. Feel better. Good. Lovely. Okay.